Question 42. The total number of factors of the number 40 are the total number of factors of number 40 are. I told you we will be having 4 options. Before solving, I will write down the options for you all. So the total number of factors of the number 40 are. Here basically you will have to calculate the factor. So the first option is 4, second option is 8, third option is 10, and the fourth option is 6. Okay. Now we will solve the answer to solve the question to get the correct answer. See, I have written down the answer. Factors of 40. Now the factors of 40 are, we know, 1 into 40 is 40, 2 into 20 is 40, 4 into 10 is 40, and 5 into 8 is again 40. So the total factors we get is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total number is 8, right? So 8 is in option B. So option B is my correct answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 43. Petrol price has gone up by 40%. Petrol price has gone up by 40%. How much percentage reduction in consumption which is approximately, how much percentage reduction in consumption is. Now let me say you something. The petrol price has gone down by 40%. So make a note of the number 40%. Okay. Petrol price has gone up by 40%. How much percentage reduction in consumption is required to keep the budget unchanged? Okay, this is your question. Now coming to the options. The 4 options you have is 28%, 32%, 20%, and the last is 25%. Okay, now we will solve this. See what I have written down. Let old price be 100. Since the old price was not mentioned, let us consider that to be 100. If the old price is 100, then the new price is said to be increased by 40%. So 100 plus 40%, that is 40 rupees. So 100 plus 40 is 140. Now if 140 is for 100, coming to unitary method, 1 will be 100 by 140. Then for 100, it will be 100 by 140 into 100, which will give us 71.43, or approximately we can say that as 72. Now the reduction in price. Reduction needed. Not in the price, the reduction in the budget. How much it is required? 100 minus 72. which gives us 28. So see, 28 is option number 1, that is A. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question, number 44. A 25% rise in the price of atta leads to a 25% rise in the price of atta leads to 20 kg reduction in price, 20 kg reduction in purchase for rupees 400. A 25% rise in the price of atta leads to 20 kg reduction in the purchase by for rupees 400. Okay, up till this much I hope it is clear. Now the next part of the question that comes in is the original price per kg of atta was. Now the four options given to you are: first option 6, second option 4, third option is D, sorry, third option is 8, and the fourth or the D option is 2. Okay, 6, 4, 8, 2. Which will be the correct answer? We will solve this now. See, I have written down the answer. Let X kg was purchased before the rise of the atta. Now, X minus 20 kg for 25 percentage rise in the price. Now, so the new payment will be 400 plus 25 by 100, which is 25% of 400, right? That gives us to 500. 400 plus 100, this will give you 100. 400 plus 100 is 500. Now, the new price of 1 kg atta is therefore 100 by 20, which is 5. Now, if 125% is 5, 1% will be again unitary method. 5 by 125. So 100 will be 5 by 125 into 100, which will give us 4. Right? So the correct option is number B, which is option number 4. Okay. So the original price was rupees 4. Moving on to the next question, 45. A shopkeeper uses a 900 gram weight for 1 kg. A shopkeeper uses a 900 gram that is reduction in weight is 100 gram. We can understand. The profit in percentage he makes is a shopkeeper uses a 900 gram weight for 1 kg. The profit in percentage he makes is now the profit will be given. So as I told you, from here only you can understand that 1 kg 100 grams is lost. First option is 9.6, second 10.5, next is 11.1, and the fourth option is 12.5. A, B, C and D. 9.6, 10.5, 11.1 and 12.5. So now we will solve the answer. See, I have written down something for you all. In each 900 gram of profit, that is 1000 minus 900 gram, that is 100 gram he makes the profit. So 900 gram profit, if it is coming to 100, then 1 gram profit will be 100 by 900. Again unitary method. So therefore 100 gram will be 100 by 900 into 100. Now this calculation will fetch you the answer of 11.1. So the correct option is 11.1, which is option number C, 11.1. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. A sum of money doubles in 10 years. A sum of money doubles in 10 years. The percentage rate of interest is first option. 4 options were given. A sum of money doubles in 10 years. So the percentage rate of interest is, first is 12, that is 12%. Next is 14. Third is 10. And the last option is 8. Okay. So let us find out the correct answer. See, I have written down the answer. A is equals to 2p, since it is told double. So putting it into the formula, you know P into R into T by 100 plus P. So amount is equal to principal rate time by 100 plus principal. So we don't know PR, we only know T, that is 10. So putting 10 here, we get P equals to, from here we have taken P as common. So P equals to R by 100 plus 1. Okay, this we have got. Now since A equals to 2P, right? So A is this, putting this here, P into R by 10 plus 1 equals to 2P. P gets cancelled. R by 10 plus 1 is 2. So putting this into that side, so we get R by 10 equals to 2 minus 1, which is 1. So R equals to 10%. So the correct option is option number C, which is 10%. Coming to question number 47. A certain principal amount is charged at a rate of 10% compound interest a certain principal amount is charged at the rate of 10% compound interest for 2 years and the amount becomes rupees 605. A certain principal amount is charged at a rate of 10% compound interest for 2 years. And then after that, the amount becomes totals to rupees 605. Now comes the question. The principal amount is so we have to find out the principal amount. So the first option A is rupees 450. Second option 500. Third option 550. And last option is 530. All rupees. Rupees 450, rupees 500, rupees 550, rupees 530. Which is the correct answer? See, I have written down the calculation. As per the formula, A equals to P, 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Now, A is told that is 605. 605 equals to P into 1 plus R. R is told 10%. So, 1 plus R, that is 10 by 100 to the power 2. That is 2 for 2 years. So, 605, we get the calculation P into 11 by 10 to the power 2, which comes to 121 by 100 P. So, solving this, we get 605 into 100 by 121 is equals to P. Now, P comes here 5 times. So, 5 into 100 is equals to P. So, P equals to 500. Okay. The correct option here is D, that is 500.